3. Do and did. Do in the case of present tense and did as in the case of past tense. Present tense negative, that is do plus not plus the main verb. Let's see examples here. We have the singular and plural forms. Singular form, example, I do not, and the main verb. Okay, here I is the subject. This is the present tense negative, do not. Eat, sleep, I do not eat means eat is the main verb. Okay, sleep or I do not run, etc. So I don't is the construction of do not. I don't and the main verb. You do not becomes you don't speak English. You don't speak English. Example, right? He does not. He does not. He doesn't. It's the construction form. He doesn't eat biscuits. She does not like music. She doesn't sing. It does not. It doesn't. Plural form, we do not. And the main verb, the plural form is we don't. You do not. And the main verb, you don't. She, it, everything, and he, she, it gets they do not. They don't. Let's see the past tense negative. That is did plus not plus main verb. Did not. Okay. A singular forms, example, I did not. I didn't. You did not. You didn't. He did not. He didn't. She did not. She didn't. It did not. And the main verb. It didn't. The plural form for I is we did not. We didn't. You did not. You didn't. For he, she and it, it's they did not. They didn't. The simple verb do is a helping verb. We add it to the simple form of a verb to make questions and negatives in the present tense and in the past tense. Right? For example, I don't work on the weekend. Present tense negative, don't work. Present tense do, negative don't, not. Okay, I do not becomes I don't work on the weekend. Present tense negative. I did not work last weekend. I didn't work last weekend. Past tense negative. Did is past tense. Did not is past tense negative. He doesn't like to go to the store. Present tense negative. For he does. Right? So he doesn't is present tense negative. He didn't like to go to the store when he was younger. Past tense negative. Did is past tense. Didn't is past tense negative. Like is the verb. Like is the verb. Work is the main verb here. And this is a helping verb. Do, did, does helps the verb like, work and have, right? Okay. They don't have any money. For they, you have to use do. Past present tense negative is don't. They don't have any money. Past tense form. They didn't have any money last week. They didn't have any money last week. Note, do is also used as the main verb for activities such as housework, cleaning, studying, research, business, and shopping. Hope you remember this from the previous class. Example, subject I don't do the dishes every night. Don't do. Look, do not do. Do is the used as a helping verb. That's for activities such as housework. Here don't do means used as doing the dishes. I didn't do the dishes last night. I didn't do. This do is doing the dishes, cleaning the dishes. She doesn't do her grocery shopping at Reliance. She didn't do her grocery shopping yesterday. They do not do their homework at the library. They didn't do their homework last night. Their company doesn't do business in Mumbai. They never did business here. The past tense form of do is did. Did plus not equal didn't. Examples, I didn't go to work yesterday. She didn't take the bus to work. Separating the contractions creates emphasis. We saw that before. Example, I did not want to do the dishes last night. I do not want to do them now. That is emphasis. People use emphasis when they want to stress, make it clear, or when they are angry, something like that. He does not have his license. You have to, when you're emphasizing, you'll be rising or you'll be talking little loud. He never did get it. Please do not put that hot pan on the counter like that. Okay. Never put did plus ing. He did going never comes. It's wrong. Okay, incorrect. He went to work last night. So the ing word never goes together. Going, doing, sleeping never goes with the did word. Okay. Avoid bad American English. She don't go to work. Don't use that. You know what to use. She doesn't go to work. It doesn't go to work. He doesn't, right? He, she, it has doesn't. He, she don't go to work. It don't matter. That and all you should avoid. Let's do the quiz. Do in the present tense. Part A. Complete each question with the correct form of the auxiliary verb and the main verb present tense. Okay. It has 10 points. Pause the video and take the test. Okay. Use this verb like in this place. Part B. Use the only verb do for the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Okay. Let's take part C. Conjugate the verb do in the present tense. Conjugate the verb go in the present tense. Let's see the answers. Part A. Read it loud and compare with your answers. pause the video. Part C, this is how we conjugate the verb do. It is going to be go, the verb go, in the present tense. This is how we conjugate that. Good job.